Hey gems, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome, and please hit that subscribe and bell notification so you are notified every time I post. In today's video, I'm going to be making cuticle oil. You can also use this mixture to make those body shimmer oils that people be making, but right here I'm just using glycerin, and I also use olive oil for this mixture. You can add essential oils if you're going to be making it as a cuticle oil, as well as a scent for the oil if you're making it for a cuticle oil or a body shimmer. Just make it your own. You also can add those little fruit slices and use maybe coconut oil or something to make like a see-through fruity oil type thing. But yeah, you guys, I'm just going to let you watch the video. No, I'm not. But for my business, I am rebranding, and you guys, if you haven't seen my previous videos, I do nails. So this what gave me the idea to make cuticle oil and add it to my business. I also had some old labels that I didn't want to get rid of, so I also added those labels to this mixture. To my bottles, and you will see that at the end of the video. And for the mica, you can add as little or as much as you want. Right here, you guys can see me adding more mica to it. And when you are mixing mica, especially with glycerin, you want to mix it really well, or it will cause separation. But yeah, if you don't want to use glycerin, you can always make your own mixture. But yeah, I'm just going to continue to mix it. Also, you guys, if you are doing body oils or whatever, face serums, you can use syringes or pipettes or one of those filling machines. I actually got a filling machine, so in maybe one of my next videos, once it gets here, I will show you guys how I use it, how I clean it, and all that good stuff. But yeah, I did use these little filler funnel things, and it was a fail, so I ended up using a pipette. But yeah, you guys, I'm actually going to let you guys watch the rest of the video. But thank you guys for watching, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos, and let me know what you would like to see next. Bye.